Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the B3 token. Name of the token is B3, ticker symbol is also B3. Now this is a brand new token here. It's getting a very big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the B3 token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it says B3, is a groundbreaking blockchain project reimagining how games and gaming infrastructure interact with Web3 technology. Built as a Layer 3 settlement layer on Base, the protocol, or B3 focuses on addressing critical industry pain points that have hindered the mainstream adoption of blockchain-based gaming through its innovative open gaming ecosystem. B3 aims to bridge the gap between developers and players by offering a seamless, interconnected platform that combines advanced technology with user-friendly design. Now it says here, the B3 token will be listed here on Mexc Global. Now it says it will be listed in the innovation zone once the deposits meets the minimum liquidity requirements. So it is coming soon. It doesn't give an exact date yet. Now if you go to their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at B3DOT Fund, so B3.fun. It says, first of all, building the open gaming layer 3 on Base, deploy Gamechains, and then it has a link to the webpage gamechain.b3.fun. It also has a link to play games on Bsmnt.fun, and it says token not live. You'll see that right there. And then it has another webpage, b3.fun, and that is obviously the main webpage. But you can see they have a huge Twitter following, 207,100 Twitter followers, gold verified checkmark, 654 posts. And in the pinned tweet, they talk about when this token is officially launching. Now it says B3 is launching on Base this Monday, February 10th, on Bybit plus other major exchanges. So it's getting listed on Bybit. It's going to be obviously on Uniswap because that's where Base tokens go. Other dexes as well. And then Mexc Global. So just stay tuned. Follow this Twitter right here and follow Mexc Global. And it says, to usher in the new golden era of gaming, we can't keep doing the same thing and expect different results. So B3 scales gaming on Base's thriving ecosystem and open doors to collaboration and brings a new tier of games on chain. B3 is the engine that powers it all. And then they have here it says, this is everything you need to know. So for game developers, the B3 token funds creativity and new paths to monetization. You can apply and receive funding to develop and scale your game. Earn referral rewards across all players on any game chain. Receive future airdrops from infrastructure partners. And then it says for players, the B3 token empowers you to influence the future of gaming and grow the ecosystem. You could stake your B3 tokens to receive exposure to future B3 game chains. Use the B3 token to fund and publish the games you believe in and earn rewards. Get early access to games and new features on Bsmnt, and that's the link that's up there on the Twitter. It says, when you hold B3 tokens, you earn tokens. B3 is not just one chain. It's an entire ecosystem of Gamechain, so B3 provides exposure to them all. When gamers play on B3, there's no way to lose. You'll be rewarded with XP, B3 tokens, and more. And it says this Season 1 airdrop isn't just a one-time event. There will be more airdrops, tournaments, and gamified ways to earn B3 tokens going forward. Now, they have the token distribution on here. It says community and ecosystems for gamers by gamers. You can earn B3 tokens through multiple airdrop seasons, top leaderboards, staking, participate in governance and play tests. This ecosystem belongs to those who play in it. Team and advisors, core contributors, plus 18 advisors represent the best of both gaming worlds. From AAA to Web3, all tokens locked in for 4 years with a 1-year cliff and monthly unlock thereafter. Investors plus angels, 7 VCs plus 100 plus angels across Web2 gaming, Web3 brands and infrastructure, unifying builders from every corner of the industry who believe in our vision. All tokens locked in for 4-year lockup, 1-year cliff, monthly unlocks thereafter. And then the foundation, it says support the at Player One FND and grow B3 Open Gaming for needs including builder grants, strategic partnerships, legal and compliance audits, and other operational expenses. It says you are early because you are early. Makes sense, right? And then, yeah, and that is basically the end of that thread there. Now, if you go to the web page, b3.fun, it says the mainnet is live and you could play now. There's information about the B3 token. There's documents. There's ecosystem. There's bridging. There is about us, community section, build now, play now. So if you want to check out the full information document, you can go to docs.b3.fun. So it says, build on B3, the open gaming superchain created by a team of Coinbase alumni and OG ETH contributors. B3 is a fun-first gaming ecosystem on Base, built to bring the next gen of gamers and game creators on-chain. We envision a future where on-chain is the new online, enabling anyone to play games anywhere while rewarding game creators for their creativity. So it's for developers, it's for players, you can play games, bridge, earn points, there's tools, all sorts of cool stuff. Check it all out, docs.b3.fun. It's where you're going to find all the rest of the information. And stay tuned, this token will be live soon. It doesn't give an exact date and time yet, but I'm assuming around Monday, according to their pinned tweet there. It will be available on Mexc Global, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.